Welcome learners for the level 6 in Python tutorial. Here we will see the basic concepts with some problems. This type of problems are very basic in our region. So let's start with the basic problem to make it interesting. So first of all, we see how to check it was prime or not. Then we jump into the next topic with simple interest. Then for the cubic sum. Okay, check prime. I'll give you the basic steps for how to check the prime, but I am telling with simple things. Or give a number, check whether the number is a prime number. Okay, a number is a prime number. If the number is only divisible by 1 and the number by itself, this means a prime number. It is not divisible by any number between 1 and the number itself. So, to check prime number, you can start dividing the number from 2 and then increase it by 1. If the number gets divided, then it's not a prime number. Okay, hope you all get your understanding. You will provide the solution with the code in Python. It's a Python code for to check whether the number is prime or not. Okay. I'll give you the explanation. The core part of algorithm is prime function, right? That will start for loop arranged between two common numbers because we want to know that the number is not divisible by any number except one or the number it's. For example, 29. It's only divisible by 1 or 29. So, to test whether the number is divisible by any number greater than 1, we start a for loop from 2. Okay, start the for loop from 2. And then going to before the num variable. To check the number is divisible, we check the remainder to be equal to 0. Okay. So, if the number gets divided by, it is not a prime number. That's why we will return it as false. Okay. If the number doesn't get divided by any number smaller than the number, it won't go to inside its block. It will finish all the number up to the number. Then it will return to the true function. Okay. Then we'll return to because it didn't get divided by any number, hence it will be a prime number. Okay. Hope you guys are get clear understanding. There was many solutions for this problem, but this problem will give you the clear understanding. Okay, let's run. It is asking for enter a number because we will yes. For enter a number I will just giving 34. The number is not a prime. Yes. 34 is not a prime. It will give me this. Okay. While I'm giving the number 29, it will give sorry. Enter a number 29. 29. Then it give me the output as your number is prime. Okay. You all get understand? This is a simple program. Okay. Simple interest. Simple interest formula is just given by POT by 100, but this is the basic definition for the simple interest. I'll give you with the real-time example. You borrowed a 5,000 for 2 years with 2% interest per year. Calculate the simple interest to know how much you have to pay. This is a very much real-time solution. Just like that. If you borrowed a 5,000 for 2 years with 2 interest, then how are you to calculate? Okay, I'll give you the hint. Just take an amount, duration, and interest rate. You have to multiply these three, and don't forget, you have to convert a present to a fraction by dividing it by 100. So, I'll give you this is a simple interest program. So just read the code. Principal equal to input, the money you borrowed. Interest rate equal to, we give it a float like interest rate. So time is equal to overall duration. So we just calculate a simple interest by making the formula a simple interest equal to principal interest rate by hand writing. Hope this formula or better understanding for you. If you're not understanding, just read it more than one time. You can get a clear understanding. So we just print the simple interest is by accessing this variable. So it's a simple program type. So let's run. It is asking for money you borrow, right? Because we will insert here as money. Yeah, just borrowed for 5,000. Sorry, just borrowed 5,000. So I'll give you some more big amount like interest rate is about 500. Total duration for about 40. When I hit the enter, it will give me the simple interest as, yeah, this much of amount you have to pay. Okay. You will make the statement as this much of amount you have to pay. Likewise, it's our decision. Okay. I hope this example or get clear with you. Okay. Let's dive into the next topic. Uh, Next topic, what's cube sum? So what is cube? Which is given in the program number, write the program to calculate the sum of cubes. Okay. Cube means power of 3. Hence the cube of 9 is about 9. You have to calculate the cube of a series. You have to calculate the cube of the number here. It might be a difficult task. Okay. I'll give you the solution with the programming. While I'm seeking with our program, I was giving the exact explanation with defining with the function with num and set the variable to 0. For instance, it will be the increment variable for this, and this will giving the formulate service for this. Then we've written the sum. Then this kind of things are very understanding for you. While I'm running this, it is asking for a number. I'll be giving with about uh 32. Sorry. Like this enter. If cubic sum of all, yes, it will give me the exact value. If you have it like that, it is using as a good calculator. Okay. Like some of a series might have an easier form. Okay. We are just coming for the end of the session, not picking out. Okay. I'll see you with the complex problems with our next classes. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!